Take a look at these. Take a look at these. Remember that courgette? Zoom out a bit. So that's all that's left of the other end. It is a large courgette. So it goes dippity-doo, dippity-da, dippity-doo, dippity-da, dippity-doo, dippity-da, dippity-da. And they go like that. This is panko breadcrumbs. Most amazing breadcrumb. Shallow fried. Couple of moments till they go golden brown. And let me tell you, they are epic. If you've never ever tried breaded courgette, whether it's a snack, part of your main meal, it's absolutely incredible. A bit of sweet chilli. Wifey liked it with a bit of mayonnaise. I like it with a bit of English mustard and the sweet chilli. It's just filling, very filling, and fucking tasty. Really, really tasty. Give it a bash.